Yo, what's up guys? We are back with another video. In this one, we are doing something a little bit different. We are swaying away from the Miata project for a couple days. What we have here is a Subaru Forester 2.5 XT. This one is a 2004 turboed Subaru Forester, pretty much. What we are doing is that when Tommy gets here, we are swapping cars. Well, not swapping, we're kind of swapping, but like we picked this up with intentions to part it out and sell it. However, this thing is a blast to drive. It is so much fun to drive. So we decided that Tommy wants to take this car off. We'll take this car and then he's gonna give me his car and then we're gonna part out that car. So what we're doing is we are basically transferring everything from his car and putting it onto this one. So I am gonna start, and basically we're swapping pretty much all the body panels off of this car onto his. So we're swapping the trunk, the bumper, the doors, all the doors, the hood, the fenders, the headlights, and the front bumper. So the only thing that is really staying is a roof and the quarter panels, which are pretty rusty, as you guys can see. But that's a later project. So what we're gonna do while we wait for Tommy is work on the trailer hitch and then maybe start taking apart the front end to swap over. So let's get to it. I'm probably gonna stick you guys onto a time lapse while we are working on it, just because we have 2.5, like basically 2 days to get it all done. Swap everything over, make sure everything's working and it's all good to go. So guess let's get to work. This trailer hitch, I already took a look at it. It is super rusty, so I'm probably gonna be fighting this for a while, but I'm gonna set you guys down somewhere, get you situated, and then I will get started. Alright guys, so quick update. I forgot to turn back on the GoPro after we swapped the cars when Tommy got here. But this is how we're looking right now. So for the blue one, front clip is off, hood is off, fenders, bumpers, all the doors, and the trunk was off, but we just took the trunk off of the white one and the trunk is going onto the blue one now. Everything is in. I broke a bolt. And then what we're doing is that these were pretty rusty, so we're hitting it with some frame paint, some rust paint, some Dom 16. Gonna get all of this painted up so that it stops the rusting, or it makes it better at least, so it lasts a little bit longer. And then we're gonna swap over some aluminum onto tires, so that it looks just a bit nicer. And then we're gonna completely strip down this car. Hood, fenders, headlights, bumpers, doors, and rear hatch is already done. So all of that is gonna get moved over to that car, and then it'll pretty much be all white except for the door jambs and like the quarters and the roof, obviously. But I guess I'll stick you guys on another time lapse while we start banging some more stuff out. So let's get to day number 2. Update time. So as you saw from the previous clip, all the wiring out of the doors have been unplugged and doors are pretty much ready to be swapped over to here. Right now Tommy's taking apart the front end of that car. I'm gonna be hopping onto the coilovers for that car, and then that'll get swapped over here. But what we also did was the rear bumper is off for this car. Got this part cleaned up because she was a little rusty, so hit her with some rust paint and then just gonna let her dry up a bit. The trunk is fully on, I think I mentioned that before. And now what we're stuck on is a stupid trailer hitch because there's one bolt that is not easily accessible, and it's behind this gas evap canister. So
I'm glad. I need both of them to roll back a bit.
yeah, that's what I thought.
Like a centimeter.
Oh, okay. All right, let me drop this one. But yeah, so right now we're gonna work on taking the front end off of that car, and suspension or just coilovers getting transferred over to this car. So we'll pop you guys on another time lapse while we work on that. Alright guys, we are back with day 2.5 now. Last half day, last time we were working on it in this time period. Did a lot Friday night. We pretty much fully stripped the blue car Friday night. Saturday we got a whole bunch of stuff done. We got the front end put together, we got the trunk on, the doors transferred over, most of the coilovers on. Today what we did was we got stuck on the driver's front coilover, so we ended up getting that today. The rear coilovers are on, all the coilovers are on now actually. one of the ABS lines got pretty messed up, so Tommy's rewiring the ABS line, or is retapping the ABS line in. The door cards from that came off of the blue car, and we're putting them onto the white doors off the stripped car now. Trailer hitch is still a problem, so we can't put the rear bumper on because the hitch is still in the way. So we're gonna deal with that in a little bit. We're probably just gonna snip it right off. And then we need to transfer over the lock from the white car to the blue car.
And if we can, try to program the key.
And try to program the key. But we'll do that in a bit. And then, I don't know, what else did we... Oh, the hood. The hood, we might be cutting a hole just where the intercooler is. Temporarily, but also permanently. Because once a cut's a cut. Once a cut's always a cut. I don't know. Exhaust is probably not going to bolt on, but we're going to take it off and just stick it in the trunk for now. And I think that's pretty much all. We had to do some cutting to get the headlights and fenders and bumper to fit in, or just cutting for the headlights to fit in. And then rewiring as well, because I think, what was it, the 02 to 04 is
03 to 04
or 03 to 04, is that the H4, the H1? H4. So the 03 04 is the H4, and then 06 or 03 to 05, and then 06 to 08 is H1s. So different connecting prongs, different bulbs, different I don't know, just different headlights. So Tommy had to rewire. Did you hardwire, or did you just plug it in different?
I plugged it in. So with the H1 bulbs, if you have LEDs, they come with like two prongs that are disconnected from the whole thing. So you just kind of like plug those prongs in to, I believe it was yellow and blue, and then red and blue. Red and blue is ground, and then the yellow blue is the full current, I believe. And then the full red cable is just straight up power, I think.
Oh, I think this happened yesterday. There's a lot of random stuff that we had to do to get everything to work. So right now I'm gonna continue pulling off the door cards. Tommy's working on fixing the ABS line, and then once we get the hood on, we'll update you guys again. But for now, just doing tedious work and getting the interior all set up. Oh, interior is pretty much all done, I believe. Tommy got his shift knob in. He got his double din in. I think that's all you put in here, right?
Yeah.
Short shifter is staying in the other car.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to try to sell that to me, then make me the money so I can buy a different one?
Yeah, I will try that.
I'll send you a list of what they did.
Yeah,
I think it'll still be.
probably. Yeah. Tail lights needs to go on, but that's whatever. And then just the bumper, and then she's pretty much all ready to rip. So we'll continue doing this, and then we'll get back. You'll pull up to the construction. Pull in front of the construction.
Wow, my alignment is fucked.
This side profile looks really nice. Okay, maybe not with the cop colors, but like, I don't know, I like the side profile because you have somewhat of the scoop.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
But she is all done, squared away. You guys saw the clip of the hood cutting. I don't know, that's pretty much it. And then we cleaned up, put everything in.
I'm popping the fucking sunroof on, Jack.
Oh bro, look, that's no good.
What the fuck?
Pull your e-brake down. Oh. Huh, it might be the wiring. Cause what, you replaced the top bulb?
I replaced the bottom one. Hey, let me
Hit the actual brake. Yeah, brakes work. It's just the running light. This running light is dimmer anyways. It's like super dim compared to that one.
Oh my ghetto.
Oh fuck, there's bare. Why is there a socket up here?
Oh, that's right.
Holy shit. Alright guys, so that is all for the conversion, the video from the 03 to 05 Forester XT, or well, from the 06 to 08 NA Forester to the 03 to 05 Forester XT, front end, rear end conversion, and then just keeping the engine of the XT. So yeah, that is all. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If there is more modifications and like if we're gonna be working on that car, I'll try to bring you guys along if Tommy doesn't do work without me. But yeah, that is all. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you do have any questions about what was needed for the conversion, or like just anything about the conversion at all, be sure to leave a comment in the description, or follow me on IG, which is also in the description, or Tommy, and just shoot us a message, ask your questions, and we will try to answer the best as possible. Got questions, ask Tommy, because he knows more than this about than I do. So yeah, that's pretty much all. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are interested in some more just content with me and Tommy, and just us and working on our cars and stuff. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy it, be sure to leave a like below, and we will catch you guys, or I'll catch you guys in the next video.